Presenting the HP Spectre X360 12th generation Intel EVO Core i7 16-inch. It has operating system and pre-installed software, Windows 11 Home 64 plus single language. It comes with processor, Intel EVO Core i7 1260p, up to 4.7 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology 2G, and 12 cores. UHD Plus, 3840 by 2400, and flicker-free. It comes with 18 MB L3 cache and 16 threads, memory, 16 GB DDR4-3200 MHz RAM, onboard, storage, 1 TB PCIe NVMe TLC-M.2 SSD. It has display and graphics, 40.6 cm, 16 inches, diagonal ports and connectivity, to Thunderbolt 4 with USB 4 Type-C, 40 Gbps signaling rate USB power delivery DisplayPort 1. It comes with 4 HP Sleep and Charge, 1 Super Speed USB Type-A 10 Gbps signaling rate, HP Sleep and Charge, 1 headphone/microphone combo, 1 Acre Smart Pin, 1 HDMI 2, HP Image Pad with multi-touch gesture support, vertical bar HP rechargeable MPP 2.0 tilt pen, vertical bar fingerprint reader, vertical bar audio by Bang & Olufsen, quad speakers, vertical bar battery, 6 cell and 83 WHR long life, fast charge -50% in 30 minutes. It features your life simplified with Alexa. Other features: webcam, HP True Vision 5 MP infrared, IR, camera with camera shutter and temporal noise reduction, and integrated dual array digital microphones, vertical bar keyboard, full size. It also features edge-to-edge glass and anti-reflection Corning Gorilla Glass NVT low blue light. SDR Brightness, 400 nits and HDR Brightness, 500 nits, Intel Arc A370M Graphics, 4 GB GDDR6 dedicated. It also features 1 vertical bar connectivity, Intel Wi-Fi 6E AX211, 2x2, and Bluetooth 5.
Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.